Hello friends, today we are going to talk about infertility basics for general population. Infertility is defined as failure to conceive within one or more years of regular unprotected coitus. There may be primary infertility or secondary infertility. There may be male factor or female factor. Normally, chances of pregnancy in one menstrual cycle is around 20%. 80% of couples achieve conception if they so desire within 1 year of having regular intercourse with adequate frequency, means 4 to 5 times a week. Another 10% will achieve the objective by end of second year. As much 10% remain infertile by the end of second year. So, for understanding infertility, we have to understand first female internal genital organs. So, this is a picture representing internal female genital organ. So, we will discuss this in. So, this is internal genital organ in female. This is uterus. In this is vagina. This is cervix, opening of uterus. This is uterine cavity. During menstruation, blood comes from here through endometrial tissue. This is fallopian tube. This is femoral end of fallopian tubes. There are two ovaries, one right sided, one left sided. In these ovaries, there are follicles. In each follicle, there are ovum. The ovary is attached with fallopian tube and uterus with few structures. So, there are few causes which cause infertility, in which one is male factor. In male factor, abnormality in sperm causes infertility. The abnormality of sperm may be in structure, motility, and adaptation. Second, cervical factor may cause infertility. Uterine factor may cause infertility, like this fibroid, polyps, endometriosis, carcinoma, adenomyosis. Fallopian tube factor, in which there is adhesion or blockage of fallopian tube, and ovarian factor, in which there is irregular periods, anovulation, or other ovarian factor. So let's first discuss how pregnancy remains. Normal. Let's learn ovulation, menstrual cycle, and fertility. This is normal menstruation cycle around 28 days. When bleeding starts, we consider as first day of menstrual cycle. As days progress, there is increase in size of follicle from each ovary. It may be right ovary or left ovary. There is increase in size of follicle from 1 to 1.5 centimeter per day without any medication. When it's go mid cycle around 14 days, there is rupture of ovum or there is ovulation due to the LH surge. So this mid cycle or day 10 to 20 is a fertile period. If you keep contact between 0 to 10 days, you will not get pregnant. If you will remain contact after 20 to 28 days, you will not remain pregnant. The fertile period in female with a regular cycle of 28 days is between 10 to 20 days, in which when ovulation occurs, and normally ovulation occur in mid cycle around 14 days. So this period is important. If you remain and take contact in between these days, you will get pregnancy. Today's scenario, due to busy lifestyle, many couples don't get contact frequently during this period, and which remain the main cause of infertility. Once there is ovulation gets occur, then after rupture of ovum from the follicle, it's go into fimbrial end. From fimbrial end, it's go into fallopian tube. When there is contact or coitus, sperms get deposited in the vagina, and sperm then travels from cervix to uterus to fallopian tube, and then there is a fusion of single sperm and ovum in fallopian tube, and embryo is get developed. Then during development of embryo travels from fallopian tube to uterine cavity within 3 to 4 days and get implanted in uterus at day 5 to 6, and then this embryo develops into fetus, and our fetus get development further from endometrium till the term of pregnancy. So this is how we get pregnancy in human being. Anything which hampers the fusion of sperm and ovum in fallopian tube causes infertility. Abnormality in sperm, abnormality in cervix, abnormality in cavity, abnormality in fallopian tube, abnormality in follicle, ovum, ovaries cause the infertility. Okay, thank you.